Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're opening One Piece card game Extra Booster 02. This set commemorates the 25th anniversary of the One Piece anime. I started watching One Piece around 2008, so it's about 17 years. We'll see how many more years of One Piece that the story will keep going. You know, they're making lots of money from all the peripherals, toys, cards from the show, so probably a good idea to keep going for a long time. But hopefully by the time I retire, they'll finish the story. So with this EB02 set, there are some new card types that they have introduced. There's the sketch-looking cards for event cards that's based on different theme songs from the anime. And also the first time they have a gold foil leader cards that comes about one per case. Quick recap from my last 5 booster boxes. From OP07 to OP11, each box I pull a secret rare, a base secret rare, and no alt art cards. So depending on how you look at it, either I'm very lucky to pull these secret rares or very unlucky that I did not pull any alt art cards. But for the EB02, the secret rare is Luffy. That looks very promising. In the secondary market, it looks like it's a very desirable card, so I would not be too upset if I pull another secret rare and make the streak 6 boxes in a row. So let's see if I can pull the Luffy secret rare, or if I can finally pull a alt art card after 5 boxes. So let's get started. The OP11, I wasn't too happy pulling the Kobe base secret rare. We'll see what we get with EB02. A very nice looking artwork of Karoo drinking a nice icy drink next to Vivi. Guard. Okay, first pack, nothing too exciting. Forward to those sketch event cards. Got Chopperman. Nice Carrot and Chopper. Okay, nice. We have our first base. Oh wait, actually no, that's the alt art. Nice. Finally pull an alt art card after 5 boxes. So this is a Sanji Pudding secret rare alt art. Well, looks like for this box, this came out early. Second pack, I pull my alt art card. Very nice looking Pudding and Sanji. So I guess my secret rare streak has ended at 5 consecutive boxes. Let's see how many more base secret rares we would get from this box, but not bad with the Sanji Pudding. Event card, Sapu. Got the imitation crew hat, straw hat crew. And our, oh, okay, nice base SR of the same Sanji Pudding card. Like I'm getting a Sanji Pudding box of EB02 here. So far, I would say much happier with this box than the previous boxes. Got a Germa 66 event card. And got a Going Merry. Ace Robin. Ace Apu. Carrot. German 66. Still haven't pulled those sketch event cards. Marine, Chopperman, CP9, Ace. And this is another base SR of Yamato. Zoro. So I think we should get one more base SR if we're lucky in 2. Marine. Cool looking chopper. Wonder if those sketch event cards are rare. Still haven't pulled one of those yet. Carrot. Okay, here it is. As I was saying, this is brand new world event card. And then here's the Dawn for the set with Kid Luffy. Sapu Carrot. I feel like I've got a lot of the same carrot cards. This one feels thicker than usual. Nice looking Nami. Karu. Got another sketch event card. Another Chopperman. Hisapu. Crocodile. Another sketch event card. So 3 of those sketch event cards so far. Or maybe they're not as rare as I initially thought. Here's the base Luffy leader from EB02. Here's a cool looking Frankie. Another Karu. Jinbei. About 5 packs left, I think. We should get one more base SR. Crocodile, Marine, another sketch event card with Luffy. Manchuri, nice Sanji. So our final SRs here. Sapu, well, different event cards, Germa 66, and then we have Sengoku. Sengoku base SR. I think for EB02, it's probably the expected number of base SRs. Another Chopperman. It was thicker than the other cards. Carrot and a cool looking Sanji sketch card. Okay, finally. Marine. And finishing off with a sketch card with the, I think, the Wano arc. So I'd say happier with this box than the prior boxes. Even though for this one I was hoping to get a secret rare, unlike the previous boxes, but results not bad. Sengoku SR, Yamato base SR, Sanji Pudding base SR, and finally my first alt art card in 6 boxes. From OP07 to OP11 did not get any alt art, and finally got a pretty nice one with a Sanji Pudding SR alt art. So it's a good way to end this break. So we'll see if I continue getting the Japanese version of the One Piece cards, or may venture into the English version of the One Piece cards. We'll see. Thanks for watching the video. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye.